Today, we're going to break down the science, mechanics, and hidden dangers behind brake lockup, and more importantly, how you can prevent it. Let's start with the fundamentals. Braking isn't just about squeezing pads against rotors. It's a delicate balance of friction, weight transfer, and kinetic energy. When you brake, the car's weight shifts forward, putting more load on the front wheels while reducing traction on the rear wheels. And here's the problem. Less weight on the rear means less grip, making those wheels far more susceptible to locking up. It's simple physics. Less grip, less resistance to locking. But how do cars prevent this? Well, let's dive deeper. To manage this weight transfer, vehicles use brake proportioning valves. In older cars, these were mechanical, meaning they simply limited rear brake pressure based on present conditions. But they had one major flaw: they were reactive, not adaptive. Modern vehicles use electronic brake proportioning, EBP, which is part of the ABS system. This system constantly monitors wheel speed, brake pressure, and traction, adjusting brake force in real time to prevent lockup. But even with advanced tech, failures can still happen. Sensor malfunctions, ECU glitches, or hydraulic failures could disrupt the system, leading to unpredictable braking behavior. Beyond electronic failures, there are hidden culprits that cause brake lockup, issues you might not even think about. 1. Worn or unevenly worn brake pads and rotors create inconsistent friction, leading to braking imbalances. 2. Contaminated brake fluid can reduce hydraulic pressure, making braking unpredictable. 3. Corroded brake lines restrict fluid flow, causing sudden brake grab and lockup. 4. Tires. Bald or underinflated tires lose traction easily, making them far more prone to lockup, especially in wet or icy conditions. And let's not forget about drum brakes. If they're not properly maintained, self-adjusters and return springs can fail, causing the brake shoe to grab and lock the wheel. So, how do you prevent brake lockup? It all comes down to maintenance and smart driving habits. Here's your checklist. Check brake pads, rotors, and fluid regularly. Inspect brake lines for corrosion or leaks. Ensure your tires are properly inflated and have good tread. Get your ABS system checked if warning lights appear. Brake lockup is a serious issue, but with the right knowledge and maintenance, you could drastically reduce your risk. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe.